Hi guys, this is Young. I hope you guys are keeping your spirits up because I want to bring you guys a little ray of sunshine today. So my friends all around the world, I know you guys are going through very difficult times, and if some of you guys still have some small space like a garden where you can still play with your drone, then hopefully this video would be useful to you. Otherwise, this would be useful when we eventually are allowed to go and travel once this whole situation calms down. So the first move is I want to shoot the drone up like a rocket. So in this mode, you just go into quick shot, rocket mode, and here we go. Hopefully you're trying to capture some beautiful moments with your family. 3, 2, 1. And if you want to do something even more special with the drone move, then you can do it manually and spiral around. But with quick shots, you can essentially get rid of the remote control, so you can be part of that cute little video. And the second tip is the manual circle mode. So right now when you can't really move around, I think it's a great time for us to learn new things, master those moves that we weren't so patient to learn in other busy times. The slow circle is one of those moves that I absolutely love. It gives those super cinematic feels that are used in so many Hollywood films. Basically move the drone left to right and turn the drone, which is a bit challenging and I certainly haven't mastered it as yet, but this is my attempt. Oh, the sunshine is so nice. I think I can stay here forever, but I want to share with you the third tip. And that is actually using the rocket, but turn the camera outside so you capture those beautiful scenery if you're fortunate to have one. And it's particularly useful if you go to some other cities for your travel in the future. I'm sure this situation will calm down at some point, hopefully soon. So for example, in the central Hong Kong, I absolutely loved doing this. Basically shoot it up, but spiral up or spiral down. So you don't even need a space bigger than 1 square meter. So hopefully you guys will have some opportunity to actually fly the drone during this tough situation. Oh, and if you guys want to get a little glimpse of the spring, then please don't forget to watch this video, 100 seconds of the spring. Please spare me 100 seconds of love. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you!